For this video, I will show you how to change your language on NotebookLM. If you want to change the output language of your NotebookLM, what you need to do is to click on the settings on the upper right corner, choose output language. Here, you can choose the language that you want. Once done, just click on save. Then, if you go to your notebook and generate an audio or deep dive conversation, it will be on the language that you chose. But if you want interface language to be changed, click on your profile icon and click on manage your Google account. Now search for a language. Choose personal info language. Under your preferred language, click on the pencil icon, then choose the language that you want. And once done, just click on save. Now go back to NotebookLM, then refresh the site. And as you can see, it will be changed to the language that you chose. And that's it. If this video helped you, don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the bell icon.